number here. ZL1 Collector's Edition Panther 2024. Everybody wants one. Many people can't get them. And why is that? Because they're only building 350. And we are lucky enough here at the Camaro Cave to get a shout out from one of our subscribers letting us know he was picking up his vehicle today. And we were 3 hours away. We thought, let's go chase him down and go find him. And he literally picked up this vehicle an hour ago. And Tonya is in the passenger seat. We are doing some POV rides. Check out this color in the sun, guys. Absolutely insane. The body angles, it's unbelievable. That Panther on the ZL1 1LE wing. Huge. Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. Panther matte black exterior paint. It's not a wrap, guys. This is actual paint. Right from the factory. And look, he's even got the carbon flash hood scoop of the ZL1 that goes all the way up top. He's got the sunroof open, and check out the lines of the vinyl right up to the sunroof and right up to the back too. Like the precision of that, look at it, goes all the way and continues onto the trunk, under the wing, back onto the deck lid. Oh, and listen to that ZL1 quad tipped exhaust just idling, sitting here. Unbelievable, guys. We're gonna bring you the latest content here. We do really appreciate you guys watching. And we're gonna, if you want to be on our next video, reach out to us, because obviously we're from New Jersey, we're here in Virginia, 6-hour ride, and Cam is nice enough to hit us up and let him know he was picking up his car today. Literally picked this car up an hour ago and was like, oh, I want you guys to check it out. Do you guys want to drive an extra 3 hours to come see it? Duh. So that's that.